The ultimate Fn3storeskin free V-Buck skins Fortnite review site tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're hunting for free V-Bucks or Fortnite skins, most people get this wrong by using unsafe or unreliable websites. The surprising truth about Fn3storeskin is that while it claims to provide free in-game items, safety and legitimacy are the top priorities before trying any offer. First, understand the site's structure. You won't believe how many users skip this step. It lists offers, surveys, and tasks that promise rewards, but careful evaluation is essential to avoid scams. Next, approach tasks safely. Most people get this wrong by entering personal info or account credentials. Focus on offers that don't require sensitive data, and never download unknown software. Safety always comes first. Check reviews and forums. The surprising truth is that community feedback often reveals which methods work and which are unsafe. Verified user experiences provide the clearest guidance. Finally, redeem safely. You won't believe how many accounts get compromised. Only use official Fortnite channels for V-Bucks or skin redemptions and never share passwords. In conclusion, Fn3storeskin can offer free Fortnite rewards if navigated carefully. By understanding the site, completing safe tasks, checking reviews, and redeeming responsibly, you can explore in-game bonuses while keeping your account secure and avoiding risks. Going from 0 to pro here is all about caution and verified methods.